I leaked our exam and ended our friendship. Last day of exams na and nakasalubong ko yung ireg namin na classmate before and began to small talk. Napunta yung usapan sa exam namin later and I asked if meron na siya sa essay. When he said no, pinakita ko general idea ng magiging essay later. Pinicturan niya and we went out separate ways. He takes the exam sa ibang section. Nagulat ako nung pauwi na ako may chat yung GC namin, me and tatlo of MY friends, and sabi na leak yung picture ng GC namin, names, and yung message containing the essay QS. They knew it was me and all left the GC. Isa-isa ko sila ni message and apologized. I messaged din yung ireg na pinakitaan ko nung phone ko that time and asked kung kanino niya pa pinakita yung picture. After we talked, it seems naman na contained yung leak and pinadelete ko sa kanya and doon sa mga nakakuha nung leak. Sinend ko sa friends ko yung screenshots ng convo namin ni Ereg and I apologized ulit. I know hindi na nila ako mapapatawad kasi pangalan nila ang nandun sa picture. I know I can't fix pero I tried doing everything to contain the leak. I told them na if I can, sasaluhin ko lahat if umabot pa sa mga profs. What I did was up and I don't really deserve to be forgiven. Friendship over na talaga, well, ako lang talaga yung nafo sa circle. It hurts pero it is what it is nga naman. Dumb of me to think din na even after ko magkaatraso, mas matibay pa din yung bond namin pero sobrang lang nang nagawa ko.